So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Karen Rebuilders. In this video we are going to work on our Maruti Suzuki Desire, and in this video we are going to fit the interior and hopefully start this thing. So let's get started. So work done till now is we have fitted the headlights and set this thing on its wheels, and in the interior we have installed the dashboard, meter and everything. We have not installed the center console because we are waiting for the display which is broken, and from the outside this thing is done, except we have fitted the bumper which is going to be fitted by the denter, and from inside all done. So this is going to be it for this video. In the next video this thing is going to be completely done. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.